Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 1 and today I would like to show you how you can add an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, you need to find clock and tap on it. Then select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and tap on this plus icon. Finally, set up an hour and save it by tapping on OK. Then choose repeat and pick days of the week. I will go with Sundays and Saturdays. Now click on Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and choose Label. Label your alarm however you wish to. And tap on OK. Then click on this little bell icon over here and select one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the chosen one and going back. You can also choose Add New over here, pick music from your device by clicking on it and going back. But as you can see, I don't have any, so I will just go back, pick one of those, like Neon, and go back. Now click on this little icon over here, and as you can see, my alarm was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it, you need to tap on this bin icon over here. If you want to customize even more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner and select Settings. Then adjust them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!